We will in 2019 continue to work hard to investigate and prosecute cases. At the same time, we will take steps to reform our policies and public financial management systems in order to remove any loopholes that wayward characters attempt to exploit. In addition, my administration will enhance the work of the Asset Recovery Agency to ensure that we aggressively seek court orders to freeze and confiscate assets such as bank accounts, vehicles, and real estate. Individuals charged with corruption offenses will not be allowed to flaunt their ill-gotten wealth as court proceedings are ongoing. Once the suspects are convicted, the assets will be transferred to the Criminal Asset Recovery Fund, ready for use to finance projects and programs that will improve the lives of Kenyans.